Kentucky bird. As you can see, he really didn't like the Dakota decoys flock back Jake there. He was following some hens, and he seen him finally come right over and started attacking him. I was going to shoot with my bow, but had a little mishap, so I grabbed my gun. Should have pretty good video because I got that camera there, the GoPro sticking in the ground back there, so should be pretty good. It's not the biggest bird that my brother's seen down here. He's got pretty good spurs. Got a real nice beard right there, but there's one bigger. It's got about 2-inch spurs that's running around here. He's pretty call shy. He's just a really old bird. He's at least 5 or 6 years old, the other bird is, so might not ever get a chance for him. But it's my first Kentucky bird, and it's opening day for Kentucky, so I'm down here in southern Kentucky for another day. Hopefully I can get one in the morning. All right.